So today I'm gonna be making lemon pepper chicken in the air fryer. My friend Bernie asked me about like the crispiness of the chicken when you make it in the air fryer, and I thought I would go ahead and just make a video so you guys could kind of see for yourself. If you have an air fryer, feel free to try it. So I'm gonna be using onion powder, garlic powder, a little bit of this Tony Chachere, I can never say his name right, but this guy, and just lemon pepper seasoning. I'm gonna be coating the air fryer with some cooking spray, and after I finish seasoning the chicken, I am going to go ahead and rub a little bit of olive oil on it so that the skin can be nice and crispy. So here we go. So I'm not really measuring stuff this time around because this is just kind of like a quick thing. You just kind of season it up and throw it in the air fryer. There's not really like a lot of work required, which is the best part about using the air fryer. It's very easy. It has presets for chicken already on it. You don't even have to try to figure out how long you're supposed to keep it in. But what I will do is I will go ahead and rub the seasoning into the chicken. It probably would work better if we had like seasoned the chicken overnight, but we are kind of doing this on the fly, and somebody is hungry. So we are going to just rub it into the chicken. Just try to get it a little bit under the skin too. So it could get all in there. And then as far as the olive oil, maybe about a cap or two. We're just guesstimating all of this. I have a smaller air fryer. If I did have a bigger one, I would have done 2 halves of the chicken, because then you would have really gotten a good amount. You could have leftovers. So I have the Go Wise air fryer. You can see this is the size of the inside. It has like a pan that is removable. So we're just going to spray that with our cooking spray. And then hopefully our chicken is small enough to fit in there. And it is. You can see it fits perfect. All right, so then we're just going to put it in there and close it. And then it has a chicken button. Well, power first and then hit chicken. And then hit start, I think. So what I will do is I will come back at 10 minutes and check it. So about halfway through, I am just going to flip it over. I just wanted to make sure that it is cooking evenly on both sides. So you can see it already has a little crisp going, which is good. So we're gonna just go ahead and flip it over and stick it back in. And maybe for about the last 5 minutes, we'll turn it back over. Great thing about the air fryer that I have is when you open it up, it remembers how much time it had left in whatever the settings were, unless you reset them. So we opened it up, it had 12 minutes left. When I flipped it over and stuck it back in, it remembered, okay, I have 12 minutes left, so it's just gonna pick up from there. So maybe about the last 5 or 6 minutes, we will flip the chicken back over. All right, ready? So we're gonna be making some steamed vegetables to go with our chicken, but let us go ahead and flip our chicken back over. All right, so you can see, you can hear it sizzling. It's looking pretty crispy. Saw this trick on the internet about peeling carrots with the carrot peeler. Apparently it goes both directions, and I didn't even know that. So that's pretty interesting. I just thought I would share. Well, the other veggies are already prepped. We've already washed everything. Only thing left to do is to peel the carrots and wash them, and then we're gonna chop them up. All right, looks like it's done. You can see it's sizzling. So we aren't finished making our veggies yet, so we're just gonna leave it to sit while we finish making our veggies. So we have everything chopped up. We're heating a pan right now. We're gonna pour a little bit of olive oil, and then we're just gonna steam these veggies. These are looking pretty good. Maybe another 5 minutes. I don't like my veggies to be overcooked, so I like them a little bit raw, kind of blanched. So it looks like our veggies are pretty much ready to serve. So we're gonna go ahead and turn it off and get ready to serve it up with our chicken. Okay, and here's our finished product. It looks perfect. We'll go ahead and cut it and try it. Perfect.